How to change the Google Maps view on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the Google Maps view on Android phone. First open Gmail, open Google Maps, and then just click here, this icon here, will find it. Click on it and then select this one, and here you can change it, and that's it. And you can change it again if you want. You can make it like that. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.